Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. In this video, we're going to show you some of the new features that's going to be launched also very soon related to adjusting your profile details. So right now, if you see your information here, you will not notice these two here, the marketing and the finances tab. It's not yet activated if you are logged in. And if you go here on the new settings, you only will have the help guide and log out. A new feature that's going to come is of course here the My Account, and in here you can start to adjust your logo, and this is really useful, and we're going very deep on this part. So why is this really important? First of all, having your logo like this right now is the standard logo if you didn't do anything, and what we highly suggest is to start and get your own to upload your own logo, and let me show you exactly how you can do that very soon. Right now everything not working yet, however it is going to come soon. So if you put in your logo, and let's click here, and here you would be able to add your logo link. So you just get the link of your logo and then you click here and update the logo. Once you did that, the logo will be updated here, and you see here your logo, so you can see how it looks like. And that's really nice. And the reason why this becomes very interesting is because then we have here the option for save your company profile. You can see that this will be your logo, and if you just cancel this, what happens more as well, if we go here to the marketing tab, here your logo will be displayed as well. You can see here, and that will be nice because then you have pictures, images and advertising material with your logo match on it, and that's really useful, because then you can spend lesser time in creating logos and spending a lot of time in fixing them, but quickly make images and post and quickly offer them to your customers or to promote them on your website or on Facebook or anywhere you want. That's the really the main goal. The goal eventually is to help you out to improve, and with the My Account it will be, because here the information here will match as well. You will have to put in all the information here, and you have of course the design logo here, and of course if you make your profile you have here your company description. You put in your things. You can see there's a sample text here, Nick Travel and Tours. That's right now our travel agency name. Of course this is all fictional, however you can see a lot of things will be here, and the goal here is just to make sure that you have all your details faster ready for your customer, also for operators, and you can present professionally to them. That's the main goal with everything. If you're professionally by your marketing materials, professional by your company profile, professional vouchers, your travel agency gets a very positive view, or they perceive your travel agency as a very professional company. And that's really what the entire goal is of CouponBet. Organize your travel agency in such a way that you are one of the most professional travel agencies out there. And that's the most important thing for us. And that's really with CouponBet. So if you're interested in using CouponBet, go to couponbet.com and register now.